Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making sure the device is awake and either above 5% battery or connected to power. This prevents shutdown during changes. Next, open Settings. You can tap the gear icon or swipe and search for settings. Once inside, navigate directly to battery, power, or display settings. Different manufacturers label it differently, so scan for battery saver or power mode. This gets you to the controls you'll change in the next steps, and it avoids wasted taps. You now locate the exact toggle labeled Power Saving, Battery Saver, or Low Power Mode and switch it off. Do it firmly so the system registers the change. Once done, make sure to inspect additional options. Turn off scheduled activation times and disable per-app background restrictions that mimic saver behavior. If you see aggressive battery optimizations, set them to standard or exempt important apps. These middle steps prevent the system from reapplying limits after you leave settings. You finish by checking the battery icon or the settings label to confirm power saving is off. The icon often returns to normal once changes apply. If the mode persists, reboot the device. A quick restart forces setting refresh. Finally, if nothing changes, reset battery settings or remove recent apps that alter power profiles. This often resolves conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: if toggles revert, check for device management profiles or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.